up here just now. All right, now I want to begin the program to push forward by inviting, on behalf of Edison Township, and I need a big round of applause for our mayor, Mayor Sam Joshi. And he's going to be joined by the Edison Township Council. Please make some noise.
Assalamu alaikum. Good afternoon, everyone, and thank you for coming out here today. You know, when I first got into office, I wanted to make it very clear that here in Edison Township, because we are such a diverse community, that we would recognize all cultures, all backgrounds, and we would celebrate the best that every culture has to offer. And with that, I'm very excited to welcome you to Edison Township's second annual Eid festival. This is the largest of its kind in its state, and you know what? With not just my administration, but with the help of the council, we have done so much to recognize and empower the Muslim community as well. I want to just highlight some of these things. You know, and these things make a gradual difference over time because it continues to make everyone feel welcome. You know, I was very proud to have promoted the first Muslim American to the rank of sergeant in the police department. That was a first in Edison Township. I was also very proud to nominate the first ever Muslim American woman in Edison Township to be nominated as a judge, and that's Asma Warsi. In addition to the fact that Edison Township also just approved the second mosque to be opened right here off of Plainfield Avenue. These are just some of the things in addition to the flag raising ceremonies and the festivals, but we will continue to celebrate all cultures in Edison Township, and we will make sure that everyone feels welcomed. Thank you again for coming out today. Eid Mubarak. I will now introduce to you our council members and our school board president, who is also a big part of this team. Beginning with Councilman Joe Coyle.
Thank you, Mayor Sam Joshi. Assalamu alaikum. And happy Eid Mubarak. I'm so excited here today to sit next to our mayor and council and the joy of so many great events. So a round of applause for the hard work and vision our Mayor Sam Joshi has in recognizing each one of you here today, not only in the promotional positions and opportunities, but what you embrace every day in teaching your children and continuing to have all these great things we recognize. And we want to thank each and every one of you and the parents. Most important, let's thank the parents and the hard work in raising children. Round of applause for the great work you do and continue to do, and we recognize that. I'm truly thankful for meeting so many great Muslim communities around New Jersey, and I'm so thankful for what I've learned throughout the Edison here and having so many great friends here, and to Jersey City and Bayonne and my friends in Patterson. I am truly enlightened on all the great opportunities. I also love great food, so you can call me for food anytime. That's no mistake, and my friends know that. But again, I want to thank our mayor and council, also our council president, Ish Patel, and the great things he does to lead us to make sure we're voting together and making sure we have great budgets to do great things like this. Let's say the more events in Edison, guys. Let's have more great events like this. Thank you.
Thank you, Councilman. I'd like to call up our council president, Nish Patel.
Hello, everyone. I want to wish you all a joyous Eid filled with love, happiness, and peace. And thank you all for coming out and making this a success. We do this for you guys, and you guys making it a success makes us want to do it more. And thank you for having us, and thank you for making us part of it. Thank you.
Thank you, Council President, and Councilman John Pointer.
Thank you, Mayor. Hello, everyone. Happy Eid Mubarak. I hope everyone's having a great time today. I wanted to say thank you to our DPW, police, fire, OEM, Department of Recs for everything that you put forward to making this a great success. Thank you, Mayor. Thank you, Council. And I hope everyone has a wonderful day on this beautiful day. Thank you.
and our school board president, Viral Patel.
Thank you, everyone. Very nice to see everyone here. The rich culture, the diversity. We have Eid as a holiday in schools from few years now, and I can tell you one thing, that's going to continue, right? So that's never going away. So that's a good thing, and students enjoy, and they bring diversity and culture. And we also have halal food. That's going to continue as well. We can just make it better from here. Eid Mubarak, everyone. Very nice to see you all. Thank you so much.
Thank you all. Have a wonderful festival. I look forward to seeing you here throughout this whole evening. And make sure in the evening time you check out this tunnel. If you haven't seen the video, the tunnel actually turns purple and gold, the same colors that I'm wearing right now. Yes, and that is for the holy month of Ramadan.
Thank you, Mayor. Thank you, Edison Council. Please give them a warm goodbye. Thank you. A round of applause. Round of applause. All right. It's so great to see Edison Township doing this. I know myself, I grew up in Edison, and I went to Southside Edison High. I see some of my classmates in the crowd right now. It's so special to be here and so wonderful to have a community that supports us, that supports our values, supports whatever cultural differences we have. So we're here to celebrate it and share that celebration with everyone. So next in the program, we're going to have representatives from the 4 surrounding mosques come up. And that's going to be from
Thank you very much, everybody. Thank you very much, everybody. Pleasure having you here. Thank you.
بآواز بلند ایک دفعہ یا نبی سلام